Friedrich-Ebert-Stiftung is a German political foundation. It's actually the oldest German political foundation. It has a very rich tradition in doing political education, not just domestically within Germany, but in many offices around the globe. Some part of this education process is often a Young Leaders program. Kazakhstan, we just started this program. We kick-started it this year. It's called ULP, and we very much are thrilled about introducing something like this to this beautiful country.
This is a great opportunity to not only develop your hard skills, but also soft skills, and to grow your network both professionally and personally.
Өзіңді бір жас көшбасшы ретінде сезіндіретін бір тамаша орта деп ойлаймын. Сондықтан қорықпай сұрақтарға жауап беру керек және белсенді түрде қатысу қажет.
Әрине, мен айтар едім, бұндай мүмкіндікті жіберуге болмайды.
Эта программа очень помогает понять все по полочкам. Нужно попробовать, во-первых, сделать первый шаг, хотя бы первый этап, подать и потом посмотреть, что будет.
Global world is complex, right? So there are many issues that you need to be aware of. And for these issues, you need to have some, I would say, background knowledge. And of course, we cannot teach everything in these 5 modules, but I would say it's compressed. It's a lot of information. It's ranging from economics to the environment to gender. These are all issues that are important if you want to understand what's currently happening in the world.
Бізге ұнағаны ол жастарға беріп жатқан мүмкіндігі, жастардың білімін, дағдысын қалыптастыру мақсатында осындай ұзақ мерзімді жоба жасап жатқаны өте қатты ұнады.
I would like to say that they should be more proactive, and maybe if they have some ideas, not be afraid of speaking up their ideas and sharing them with others, with organizers of this event, and we wish good luck for them.
And feel free to apply and believe in yourself.